Hey there, if you are looking for the new Lovable extension, then this video is for you. Okay, so you may know that the previous extension is not working, and there's a reason we have needed to create the whole new extension for your Lovable. Okay, and now you can use unlimited credit. Okay, unlimited prompt you can send to Lovable to build anything. Okay, so let me show you how you can install this extension and how it actually works. So first of all, log in your Lovable account into a fresh browser where you did not use the previous Lovable extension. Okay, and then go to the extension page from this navigation. Just click the extension, okay, and then manage extension, and then just turn on the developer mode. Okay, after that, just uh, drag and drop the extension file, and it will ask you to put the license key. Okay, so just put your license key here, and then click the verify button. It will instantly activate your extension, and you will see this type of icon. Okay, this little icon, when you see this, that means your extension is already working. Okay, and once you click on it, you can open all the settings and everything. Okay, so the extension is added. Now what we need to do, previously when we create the project into the Lovable account with the extension, then it actually consumed credit. But this time with the new Lovable extension, it will not consume any credit to create your project. Okay, so all you just need to open the extension panel, and then click create project in Lovable. Okay, so just click this button. It will create your project without consuming any single credit. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so it's loading now. You can see it created the project instantly, and now I can send the prompt to build something. Okay, so if I send something like okay, so one more thing, let me show you before I. So you can see here in this account I have 77 credit. Okay, and also 5 free credit. Okay, so and then let me just give it a prompt so that you can see how it actually works. Okay, so let's say let's build a demo landing page for uh, luxury was. Okay, so I just added the prompt here and going to send it. Okay, let me submit this prompt. Okay, so I just submitted the prompt, and let me go back. You can see the extension started to working right away, and it will work and without consuming any credit. Okay, so let this complete, then I will show you what it actually built. I just sent a simple prompt like build a landing page for a luxury watch. Okay, so that is the prompt I just sent, but you can make any prompt based on your requirement for your project. Okay, so to show you the proof, I'm just sending this prompt and building this landing page. Okay, so that it works. You can see this is working just fine. It started to create it all the images. As you know, Lovable AI also do all of your images. You can see, so it's working. And also the credit is still same, 77 credit and 5 free credit. Okay, so let it done, and then I will show you. Okay, so the extension working, and you can see the landing page already built. And still let me show you if my credit is same as before. You can see I have 77 credit and 5 free credit, which was the initial credit when I started this project. So creating a full new project also not consume any single credit. You can see here. So this is actually the proof the new extension is working just fine. So you can get this extension by joining our Discord channel. Okay, you will get the link into the description of this video, and also you can buy the extension from our website. You also get the link to get the extension from our website. Okay, you will get the link of this website as well as our Discord server. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.